May all beings be happy. Dear friends in the Dhamma, today I am going to explain you the importance of Medin full moon poede. Medin full moon poede is the third full moon poede of the year, as well as it usually falls in March. As far as the importance of Medin full moon poede is concerned, on this great day, the first visit of Buddha to his birthplace, Kimbulwat Nuwara or Kapilavatthu city, began from this great day. Then, in this journey, a very important incident happened. Let's see the importance of his first visit to his birthplace. Buddha attained enlightenment on Vesak full moon poede. And King Suddhodana, the father of the Buddha, got to know this incident. And he wanted to see his loving great son, our Lord Buddha. And he couldn't see Lord Buddha, his son, for 7 years after renunciation of Bodhisattva. Then he had a great anxiety and desire to see his great son. With this purpose, he sent a 1,000 retinue along with the minister in order to invite Lord Buddha to arrive in Kimbulwat Nuwara. But this 100 retinue came to Buddha. Buddha was preaching Dhamma. Then at that moment, this great retinue listened to Buddha's great teachings and attained arahantship. Then after that, they get ordained, and they were not clever enough to invite Lord Buddha to come to Kimbulwat Nuwara. Then after that, King Suddhodana had to send 9,000 retinue along with 9 ministers to invite Lord Buddha to arrive Kimbulwat Nuwara. But none of them couldn't invite Lord Buddha to come to Kimbulwat Nuwara because they attained arahantship and after that they got ordained. In this moment, when the King Suddhodana was facing a great trouble, at that moment there was a minister named Kaludai. He undertook this huge responsibility and he went to King Suddhodana and he pointed out that he can fulfill the aspiration of King Suddhodana, but he pointed out a condition. That condition was he wanted to become a disciple of Buddha, and after that he pointed out that he will invite the Lord Buddha to come to Kimbulwat Nuwara. Then Minister Kaludai along with 1,000 retinue went to Veluvanarama in Rajagaha Nuwara. Then Minister Kaludai and 1,000 retinue listened to Buddha's great teachings and attained arahantship and after that they got ordained in the Buddhist dispensation. Then after spending 1 week, Khalidai Thera invited Buddha that his father is in a desire to see the Lord Buddha. Then Khalidai Thera invited Buddha very respectful manner, and at that moment Buddha accepted the invitation of his loving father, and he decided to go Kimbulwat Nuwara on Medin full moon Poe day. On this great full moon Poe day, Buddha began his journey. On the way to Kimbulwat Nuwara from Rajagaha Nuwara, that road was full of natural beauty and picturesque places. Then when Buddha was reaching to Kimbulwat Nuwara, the elders of Sakya clan, the relations of Buddha, the elders decided not to worship, not to pay respect or homage to Lord Buddha because he is younger than them. Therefore, Buddha wanted to eliminate their pride. In order to eliminate their pride, Buddha had to perform and exhibit a great miracle which is called Yamamaha Pelahara. In English, it can be said as pinfall miracle. The Yamamaha Pelahara can be done just only by Buddha. It cannot be done even a disciple of Buddha or any other person who has great psychic powers or divine powers. That is the importance, significance of Yamamaha Pelahara. Yamamaha Pelahara is issuing water from one part of his body, and in the same time he could issue a stream of fire by other side of the body, and from one nostril he could issue a stream of water, and from other side of nostril he could issue the stream of water. After watching this great miracle, all the relatives of Buddha, including father, King Suddhodana, worshipped Buddha. This is the third time which the father worshipped his son, our Lord Buddha. Then at that moment, Buddha preached a Jataka which is named Vesantara Jataka. After listening Vesantara Jataka, the relatives of Buddha could attain the state of stream winner Sotapanna. Thereafter, Buddha went to Princess Yashodhara, who is the wife in lay life of the Buddha. Then at that moment, after knowing the Buddha's arrival to Kimbulwat Nuwara, Yashodhara came to Buddha and laid down at the feet of Buddha and hold the ankles of the Buddha, and she began to cry with much affection and love. Then at that moment, Buddha let Princess Yashodhara Devi to cry a long period of time. And after that, Buddha preached Chandakinnara Jataka or Sandakindru Jataka to Prince Yashodhara, and he could console Princess Yashodhara. And another significant event which had happened in this journey of Buddha is Buddha ordained his loving son Rahula as well as cousin Prince Nanda. After ordaining Prince Rahula and Nanda, he could give most precious wealth which he had to his loving son and the cousin. And after that, Buddha preached Dhammapala Jataka to King Suddhodana, his father. Then in this manner, in this journey, Buddha could do a great service to his relatives. And this is the very significant incidents which happened on Medin Full Moon Poi Day. This is the importance of Medin Full Moon Poi Day. May all beings be happy. May the Noble Triple Gem bless you.